guys, welcome back to Shanti's Life. I am so excited for today's video. But before we get into today's video, hi, I'm Shandizzle. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for returning. Where should I start? I took a trip recently, a very important trip, and I'm taking you all along with me. So today's video is my journey to wherever I went. It is my journey from the beginning of the journey to when the plane landed, and this video is mostly for you guys to guess where I went. Leave it in the comments down below. There might be some hints here and there in the video for you to pay attention to, so you can figure out where I went on this trip. Please watch from beginning to the end. Share with your friends, family, associates. Tell everyone about Shandi's Life and help me reach where I need to get. Right? This is the start of a series of me traveling somewhere very special. You'll find out very soon. Comment down below to tell me where you think I went, and I'll see you soon in the next video after this. So guys, here you see I'm at my cousin's house and I'm checking my outfit. That's what I'm wearing on the flight. Here's part of the journey down to the airport. We left so early. Oh my word, it was so early. It was dark out. Here you see the sun is coming out. Look, it's daylight and we're still on the road traveling down to the airport. It was a smooth ride, no traffic, just us on the road. Look at those mountains, y'all. Look at the beauty of Jamaica. There you can see some fog. It was pretty foggy. We made it. We're at the airport, and you know, being disabled, I have to be in a wheelchair. Well, not after, but I'm in a wheelchair and they're pushing. They're my travel guys, my travel buddy, or my cousins. Yeah, we're traveling together. Look at them, they're so cute, right? Back to me. I must say shout out to that gentleman. He did really well pushing the wheelchair. Here I am waiting on the plane to arrive, or for us to board. There's my boarding pass. And this is me being assisted onto the airplane, sorry. So here we go. And we're here. That's the door of the plane. About to enter the plane. And look at it, y'all. That's the plane that I'm traveling on today. Trying to find my seat. Where is it? Where is my seat? There it is. Found it. Found it. Of course, it's a window seat. I love to travel on window seat. There's a glimpse of inside the plane. Getting myself situated, and we're getting ready to take off. Enjoy taking off with me. Now I have to come back. Look at God's creation. Look at those clouds. Checking on my makeup that I just did on the plane, y'all. I don't remember what I was doing here. Oh, wiping off the mascara. Yeah, get a little smudge. Wiping it off. Cut those lips though. Shiny. Buckle up, Dizzlers. It's time for this plane to go down. It's time for us to land. So let's go. Before we go over there before we continue, did you all see that? How beautiful God creation is? Do you see that? Do you see the wisdom that God gave us? The knowledge that God gave man to create the plane? But this is not what this video is about. I gave you all a hint. Did you see the boarding pass? Were you paying attention to the boarding pass? I gave you a hint of where I'm going. If you saw my boarding pass and if you saw my boarding pass, and if you saw where I'm heading, please comment down below. Let's see. Show me who is paying attention. Now, let's get back to the video, y'all. Let's get back to the video. Dizzlers, just like that, we have arrived to our destination. Still keep guessing. Leave those comments down below. Let me know if you all have figured it out. But with that, here comes the end of today's video. So thank you so much for all who have watched all the way to the end. Please comment down below where you think I am. This is another hint. Look at the airport. You can see all over the airport where I am. And